We're rolling.
Where are we?
We are on trail in the drizzling rain. And this is our beautiful scenic view of a cloud. It is October 7th, 2017. And it turns out the trail we are on is actually a giant staircase.
You can't see any stairs right here though.
I know, that's why we stopped here.
What's this?
Oh, now we're videoing again?
Yeah.
This is the trail, also known as stairs, on Moore's Wall.
Where are we?
No! Why are you doing that?
We made it to where we can see the lookout tower. It's right there.
No. If it's supposed to rain at 7...
They said 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Where did this one?
It's more humorous up here. It is a great void of gray.
So, they say you can see all the way to Pilot Mountain from here.
That's what they say.
Probably would look at one of these signs that would tell me which direction to look.
That way. It's west of there.
There it is.
Yep.
Mount Mitchell and Pilot Mountain, Soratown Mountain, Grandfather Mountain,
Nope.
some other ones.
I'm pretty sure it wouldn't matter if it was half a mile away,
There they are.
or maybe a quarter mile away. It is a cloud, and that is all you can see.
We're on our way back down. Say hi.
Hello.
It's very different terrain here. Rocky.
A rocky trail versus rocky stairs. We don't have a hotel. Hello! We have returned to level ground. Well, more level than before.
There's water here.
Yeah.
It must be pretty low if there's a stream. There's fall colors in the trees, some of the trees. Let's see. There it is. We did it.
We did it.
How far did we go?
Well, it depends on who you ask. My watch says that My watch says 4.73 miles. Dan's
right.
add an additional half mile.
Yeah,
So,
I took the scenic route.
except for we were together.
Yeah.